Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I just want to do a yarn haul that some bargains that I found at Michael's, and I'm so excited to share with you guys. I was actually watching Cinnamon Stitches, Jennifer. Hey, Jennifer. And I was just watching along and just waiting till the video was over before I leave my comment because I didn't want to miss anything. And she got to this part where she said that she had gotten a Premier, one of the bobbins, and $5.99, I think, at Michael's. And I was like, what? Because I had been wanting some, but I didn't want to pay the $13 price. And then, you know, they'd gone on sale a little bit here and there, but it still wasn't at a price that I wanted to pay yet. And I haven't had a 50% off coupon. I don't know, some of you guys are always coming up with that, but I don't seem to be getting that 50% off. But anyway, as soon as I read that, heard her say that, I immediately paused her video, went to my Michael's app and typed in Premier Yarns, and sure enough, it came up, $5.99. And I thought, well, I'm sitting here working on my Amazon orders. I'm just going to work on them and place an order online. And as I got to looking, I was like, well, just drive over there. So I told my husband, I said, okay, come on, we're heading to Michael's. And so I went in there and changed clothes, and I was out the door in probably 10 minutes flat. I was in Michael's. And I went straight back there, and sure enough, they had a sign, but it said $7.99. And when I got in there, I thought, well, I'm going to open up this app real quick, and so I can prove that they're $5.99. And so when I did, the app would open, but it wouldn't let you do anything in the app. And so luckily, this little lady, she happened to come by, the same lady that helped me the last time with my bargains there, the clearance aisle there at Michael's. Well, anyway, she happened to walk by, and I asked her, and she says, oh yeah, those are $5.99. We just haven't changed the sign yet. And I was like, ooh, okay. And so I grabbed one of most all the colors. I left a few colors. But I only grabbed one of each, and I really wanted two of each. And but I just wasn't sure what I want to make with them yet. I was just so excited that I was getting them at a price that was affordable and more in my price range. And so thank you, Jennifer, for putting that. After this video, after I get it made, because I just got back from Michael's, I'm going to go in there and finish watching your video and leaving a comment. And so yeah, but I'm glad you shared that because I would have missed out. And I had been wanting that yarn ever since you first introduced it. So, but anyway, while I was there, I happened to come across some yarn that was like, I had paid, well, I never really paid full price for yarn. Okay. But some of the yarns that I had bought throughout the summer, they were like regular $9.99. And I probably got them like, $5.99, $6.99, you know, those kind of prices. Well, they were 89 cents. So, you know, can't pass that up either. So I grabbed those as well. So anyway, so I'm here to show you what I did end up getting from Michael's. Now I did buy 2 Halloween cups that were 40% off, and I bought, it's a spider cup for my daughter, and then a cat for me, cat cup. Anyway, and so I didn't show them, and they're not going to be in the video today. But otherwise, oh, it was almost all yarn. I did buy some ribbon because I wanted to make myself a couple of project bags. And so I don't have that in the video. But I did get a 20% off on that. I had to go to michaels.com, to their website, because like I said, the app wasn't working. Anyway, and yeah, some of this yarn, if I'd have known exactly how cheap it was, because, you know, I couldn't scan it, and the scanners are on the other side of the store practically. You know, who wants to keep walking every time you find yarn to scan? Anyway, so here is what I got, guys. Let's see. Okay, this is what I got. Of course, you know, bobbins take up a lot of room. So, you know, with the bags being big, it may look like a lot of yarn, but the bags are really big. But my husband, we got out to the car, and I was like, well, how much? No, he asked me, he said, well, how much do you think you saved? And I said, I don't know, let's look at the ticket. Well, we got to looking at the ticket, and when I saved almost $300 on this trip. It cost me $76 for this, and I saved almost $300. So, all right, so I'll show you some of the stuff I got. So bear with me. Okay, so in this bag so far, I got this color right here. And this is called the Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday Bobbin, 3 balls in 1. It is, each color is 181 yards, 543 yards total. It's a medium 4-way, and that's what it says on it. But there's my color. I like that color, so I was pretty excited to see that one. And then, I don't know if I said the color though. It is 3 colors, so let's see. Okay, it just says Peachy Keen. So, Peachy Keen. I guess that's what they gave that one. And I really like that color a lot. And then here's another one. And the color on this one is Sand Dollar. Oh, and there's what it looks like worked up, and the way the color range goes. That's pretty. I forgot to show you this one. There it is. I think it's very pretty. And of course I got me some black and gray. You know, I need that one really bad. This one is the one I was thinking I probably should have got 2, but I just didn't know how much money I was spending, and I didn't want to overdo it. It's called Nighttime. So I tried to be conservative, I guess you could say, in my spending. I didn't want to overdo it. But I did really like that black. This is called Goldenrod. And I like that one a lot too. Obviously the colors I picked are colors I really like, or I would not have bought them. I don't just spend money to spend money. That one says Blue Moon. So I like that one a lot. And let's see, I think this bag has, okay, that bag, yes, this has some in it. Okay, here is this one. This is called Cordial. And I'm sure you guys have all seen that one. And there's the way it looks. Worked up. I like that. I like this one a lot too. This one is called Lime Green. It's so pretty. All these are just so pretty. So that's the Lime Green. And I think this may be my last one. Yeah, this is the last one. And it is called Peacock. And I don't know which one is my favorite. I like them all. So, yeah. Okay, so some of the 86-cent things that I got, or some of them were 84. 84, 82, and 86 cents were the price ranges of these things. Okay, so I got these colors right there. And let's see if there's any more over here. Nope, there's not any in that bag. Okay, so this color, this is called Craft Smart Value, and it's 354 yards. It's called Mauve. Yeah, 80-something cents for that. I got 2 of these, and this is called Coral. It does not look coral to me. It looks peachy orange or something to me. Oh yeah, the mauve. There's 2 of the mauves. And like I said, those were like 80-something cents. And then this one is Dark Taupe. and 354 yards, medium 4 weight, and there it is. I really wish they had more of these, guys. You know, I use this stuff like crazy with my doll stuff, my Amazon kitchen towel holders that I sell. I mean, these are nice. That's all they had in that. I'd bought more of those. Okay, some of the other 86-cent stuff was, this was in the 80-cent range right here. And it's called Cozy Baby, 557 yards, pattern included, loops and thread, 3 light, 70% acrylic, 30% polyamide. But yeah, 80-something cents for that one. And they did have more of this, but they didn't have it in colors that I necessarily wanted. But yeah, and this one is called Outer Banks. Did I say the color of that one? Tahoe. That was Tahoe. I don't know. I don't even, that name don't even go with it. Anyway, 557 yards. And then there you go. So these are very pretty. 84 cents or 86, something like that. Same with this one. I got the last of that, or I bought more of that. That is the gray, and it is called Silver Cloud. Yeah, they were all gone but the one. Okay, and then, oh yeah, I got one more of that blue. One more of the baby, I forgot. It was a different color though. The color on this baby one is called Sierra. I thought that was pretty. And of course, you guys know what I'm probably going to make with that. I plan on making some little baby cardigans with these. It's what? These 3. Anyway, so these were 80-something cents. And I got the last of these 2. They're medium 4 weight. Light gray is the color. So I got 2 of those. Y'all know how I love this. It's the Loops and Thread Cream Cotton. 432 yards. Yeah, 87% cotton, 13% nylon. I love this yarn right here a lot. Last time I was there, I paid $3.97. They were marked down. They're regular like $9.99. I got them on sale for $3.97. Well, first I got them on sale for like $4.99. The second time I went back, they were $3.97, and then now they're like 86 cents. So, yeah. I'm almost done. See, it's just the yarn that's on the, what do you call it, the spools. It's took up a lot of space and made it look like I had more than I actually have. So this right here, I believe, is it. Yeah. Okay, so I got 3 of these in that same, right here. It is called, it's the cream, Loops and Thread Cream Cotton 4-weight yarn, 432 yards. The color is violet. 86 cents a piece for these. And I got 3 in the pink. Isn't that pretty? That's a pretty pink. Called Pink Rose, 432 yards, medium 4-weight, cream cotton. So there you go. So yeah, so that's what I got at my Michael's. So get a few of these off of my desk here so I can talk. Okay, so I wanted to share that with you guys, and I'm gonna post this as soon as I can. So hopefully your Michael's will be having these same deals, and just make sure you bring a cart back there with you so you can pile up these 86-cent yarns. Yeah. Okay, so that's all that I have in this. Oh yeah, I was going to tell you this. This is another one of my shawl in a ball shawlettes right here that I have a tutorial for. So you may want to look it up if you're interested in it, and make you one of these. Okay, so that's all that I have for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and hopefully your Michael's is going to have these still on sale like mine did. Thank you. Bye.